or evening. Oh, good morning guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Faridatul Jannah. I'm number 29 and I'm from Pamekasan City. I'm studying in University of Trunojoyo, Madura. Now I want to tell about UD Karunia Tunggal. In UD Karunia Tunggal, I want to tell about the profile, CSR concept, production management, marketing management, and any others of UD Karunia Tunggal. Let's check it out. Okay, for the first, I want to tell about UD Karunia Tunggal's profile. UD Karunia Tunggal is a company engaged in the production of corn-based snack. The name is Jagung Marni. UD Karunia Tunggal has been established since 15 years ago. The owner of UD Karunia Tunggal is Mr. Narjis. The product name of UD Karunia Tunggal is Jagung Marni. UD Karunia Tunggal is a family business, so that all of structure is managed by family. Location about production and location office is in one area. Mr. Narji chose the corn for commodity farm in Kelurahan Kanginan. UD Karunia Tunggal chose corn because corn is the most commodity farm in Madura, especially Pamekasan City. UD Karunia Tunggal for the first is a small business family. However, a long time later, demand Jagung Marni is increasing, so that Mr. Narji family continue to propose this business until his business have a license. UD Karunia Tunggal every operate in 6 days, and in the weekend UD Karunia Tunggal is closed. It's because in the weekend especially time for family time. Okay, in the second, I want to talk about production management in UD Karunia Tunggal. In management production UD Karunia Tunggal, I want to talk about management production, the product, materials and method, and transfer about produk Jagung Marni. Okay, UD Karunia Tunggal carry out the production process from dryland corn that has been harvested by farmer in Kanginan village. Underground drying process. UD Karunia Tunggal directly supply the corn meats from farmers in Kanginan village. This is because Mr. Narji of the owner UD Karunia Tunggal want to prosper about commodity corn in Kanginan village around the production site. UD Karunia Tunggal prefer to supply the corn from local farmers because the price and selling price relatively cheaper, more than competition other. In farmers, price of corn not less competitive. Corn used for production Jagung Marni, and the process production is many methods. The method of production Jagung Marni is at the first, prepare all tools material are needed. All of material must be clean, so that if all material is clean, consumer will be safe. And the second, wash the corn thoroughly with running water to avoid all bacterial and dirt. And the third, boil the corn until 30 minutes. Once cooked, drain the corn. The next, dry the boiled on direct sunlight. If the sun is hot, drying corn be complete in 1 day. If weather is not good, processing drying the corn will be in 4 days. And the next, season the corn with the spices that have been made, then dry the corn until dry. When dry, remove and drain to remove the remaining oil from the frying pan. And the next, package the jagung marning in plastic. If already jagung marning is packaging, and the last, jagung marning product is already to distributed by sellers to consumer. And the next, I want to tell about marketing management in Ude Karunia Tunggal. Okay, next I want to tell about management marketing in Ude Karunia Tunggal. In management marketing, I want to tell about management promotion, management price, and management distribution about jagung marning. In Ude Karunia Tunggal, the marketing process for jagung marning is carried out directly for consumer. Many consumers visit the located Ude Karunia Tunggal to buy jagung marning. But apart from that, jagung marning products are also distributed to grocery market, Madura souvenir, and wholesaler. And for the distribution method, there are many sellers, especially distributed to consumer. The price set is cheap, so that all consumers can reach it. Okay, to introduce their product to consumer, Ude Karunia Tunggal provide a tester for consumer before buying, so that the consumer can assess the product when they buy. The single gift on Ude Karunia Tunggal also provide a customer service contact to accommodate complaint or suggestion from consumer as a material for future elevation. The form of promotion carried out in Ude Karunia Tunggal is to provide discount to consumer who purchase large quantities of jagung marning product. Ude Karunia Tunggal has a very big impact to the community around the production site. This impact can be felt by the people who are farmers and non-farmers. This is because Ude Karunia Tunggal supplies corn from farmers in Kalingan village, and Ude Karunia Tunggal employs unemployed housewife to become labor on Ude Karunia Tunggal to follow production process of jagung marning. This effort income farmers and non-farmers in Ude Karunia Tunggal production site are increased cyclically and directly can develop and empower the communities related to corn processing. Another impact obtained from the existence of Ude Karya Tunggal is that the community knows the importance of processing an agricultural commodity it is marketed. The environmental impact that is felt by surrounding community. With the existence of production in Ude Karya Tunggal, it's make it easier for farmers to market this agriculture production. Ude Karya Tunggal can create new job for the surrounding communities. The community is very feel helpful with the existence of the Ude Karya Tunggal because they can market their agriculture product or commodity are efficiently and don't go through many marketing channels. Thus, farmers feels benefited and Ude Karya Tunggal stay benefits. As for the workers on Ude Karya Tunggal, they think that since the existence of Ude Karya Tunggal and employing them, they can know about processing production of jagung marning. And employment rates in nearby location have also decreased because the majority work at Ude Karya Tunggal. During the production process, of course, there is waste generated. Waste generated from the jagung marning production process is corn boiled water and the remaining corn fine oil. To handle the waste generated, Ude Karya Tunggal conducts waste management. The form of waste management carried out in the form of distilling boiled water so that when it is disposed, it does not hurt the environment. However, the residual distilled water is used as plant watering material. Meanwhile, the remaining oil from fine corn will be sold and sorted at the used cooking oil bank. In addition, Ude Karya Tunggal always minimize the use of plastic when carrying out the production process. This is so as not add the plastic waste in the surrounding environment. That's my explanation about Ude Karya Tunggal. And I want to tell thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.